Okay, we got everything we need here for the inside. We got a 1-inch ring that we're going to use. I got 24-inch piece of nylon string. We have a 3-inch spring. These 2 eye hooks. One will go back here to tie the string to. The other one's going to go up here for our spring. We have our dowel. Our dowel goes back here. That's for our string to come up and over. We have our little block here, which will go in here. That's what we're going to put our hinge to. And this will get screwed in from the sides. We're using a 1-inch hinge. We have our ears that we did, and I've got a 1-inch screw, so we're going to glue them and screw them in on the sides. Then we'll cover it up with putty, the screw heads. Then the back of the head. So we're going to work on the mouth now. And we have this eye hook which goes in the bottom. That's going to go down here. And we'll put a rubber band on that and the bottom of our body. That helps hold the head in place for you when you're using it. We put a hook in here, and this is what will attach to our spring on the top and then to the mouth. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.